Hello, welcome to Ai Streetz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare, like to upscale your mockups in Silhouette Studio. Okay, so here I am in Silhouette Studio, and this is my page. Okay, this is my page. Okay, don't worry about here yet. Here I'm going to make it to 8 by 8.5 by 8.5. This is my page setup right here. I'll go here and I'll go to media. I'll choose custom, and in here I'll put 8.5 8.5 by 8.5. That's how big I want my image to be. I'll go here, file, I'll merge, I'll bring it in here, my mockup. Let's say this cutie right here. It will come here and it's so small. I will have it here selected, go here and lock it. It's 1 by 1. So you put here 8.5 and you hit enter. Then it will become 8.5. And then you come here and it will come over here. And now we're going to make it more beautiful. We're going to edit it. Okay, you go to here, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you go to the sun right here. You keep it selected. Okay, and then you upgrade it here. It's a little brighter, more contrast, and more saturation. And then you apply it. After you apply it, you go to File. Okay, File, Save as hard drive, save to hard drive. Okay, I will have it like baby boy, gray shirt, mock up, and then I'll save it as a PNG. Okay, and I will come here and I'll put it on 300, and then I will click on this and then save. This is the background, so nothing special will happen. Okay, this is how we save it. Okay, and this is what you can sell on Etsy. Thank you for watching.